Hi, how you doing? Scotty Bear back for another video. This one on should you ever take your car to Mexico? Now, I feel very strongly about this. I feel there are two types of people that visit Mexico. One that has in fact had their car stolen, and two, the people that will have their car stolen. Having your car stolen is the likely thing that will happen to you in Tijuana. Probably nothing else. Maybe have a pickpocket or some sort of little personal theft or robbery. But other than that, likely nothing else. And I kind of say that because that's probably true. Car theft is a huge problem in Tijuana. They are not trying to fix it in any capacity. It was almost shocking when I went through it as to how it was handled and the procedure. I learned a lot about it. I learned a lot about the insurance process, and I learned a lot that, or actually, I learned one important rule: don't ever bring your car to Tijuana. I do recommend one thing though. If you are considering going down to the border region, one, you could park your car for free, kind of away from the line for a couple days. In most cases, it's fairly safe. Two, you can also park in the trolley areas. Don't tell them I told you so, but you can usually park in the trolley areas for a few days pretty safely, or around the trolley areas too are relatively okay. And three, you can actually take it across the border and have and pay to park there immediately as you cross over the border, which is also a good thing, and it is insured, and I don't see anything really happening to your car there for a discount of what it would cost for to park it in the United States. And if you're wondering, the cost to park your car in the United States near the line is very big for this reason. This is the reason. And their lots are full because because car theft is indeed an issue in Tijuana. So I tell you, transportation is fairly good in Tijuana. So you should almost have no problem going where you need to go for a very inexpensive amount. Route taxis, buses, Ubers, and again, taxis, taxi libres or whatnot. You can negotiate very reasonable rates for going most of where you want to go in that area. So if you're going beyond that, or you are a Mexican or a Spanish speaker, this holds pretty high advantages, and you're going to a destination where you could take your car. Again, this is a much different situation, but casually, being a commuter and bringing your car to Tijuana is relatively high risk. So definitely consider carefully. Also consider the value of the car and the make and model of the car. Like if you have a minivan, that's probably pretty high target. So anyway, thanks for watching, and like and share.